Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best sliding door hardware that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the SmartStandard Heavy-Duty Sturdy 8 Feet Sliding Barn Door Hardware Kit. SmartStandard Sliding Barn Door Hardware Kit is double-checked for accuracy before it is dispatched to the market for sale. It is very easy to install and assemble. It is made of high-quality steel which is also black frost coated. That makes it fit to hold a door weight capacity of 170 pounds. It can also fit a door panel width of 40 to 48. When buying one, you will get the following components: 1 hex key, 8 feet rail, 6 rail support, 1 floor guide, 2 rollers, 2 end caps, and 2 door stops. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the YOUMAX Wood Door Basic Sliding Track Hardware Kit. YOUMAX is an amazing brand that makes durable products. When buying these door sliding hardware, it will come as the complete kit with all the needed tools present. For instance, it comes with 1 hex key, 8 feet rail, 6 rail support, 1 floor guide, 2 rollers, 2 end caps and 2 door stops. The door stoppers that are adjustable when the rail is on, and they are meant to prevent the door from oversliding. At number 3, we have the TMS WoodenSlidingDoor Hardware. This hardware is made for wooden barn doors that can slide. With stainless steel 304, it is very durable, and it can support a weight capacity of 150 pounds of 35 mm thick door. It's good in space saving, and it takes only some minutes to assemble and install it. It is made in a simple way that helps you figure out where each component fits. It also comes with removable end caps, thus good for cutting and fit any admirable size. At number 2, we have the Yaheetech 6FT Sliding Barn Door Hardware Set. For a wide range of application sliding door hardware, this product from Yaheetech is the best in that. It is made to match with all types of door styles, including American, African and even Japanese modern, concise door styles. It is not only used as door buy as a new house decoration tool. The door stoppers that come with it prevent excessive sliding, thus good for all age application. And finally, at number 1, we have the SmartStandard 8FT Sliding Barn Door Hardware. All the SmartStandard sliding door hardware is durable and easy to use. In the box, it comes with an installation guide that has pictures. If you have any question, you can get help from their 24 hours online customer service providers. When installing the hardware, make sure that the following components are: 1 hex key, 8 feet rail, 6 rail support, 1 floor guide, 2 rollers, 2 end caps and 2 door stops. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.